What's unique on the Vista 1 is that the I/O is built into the back of the console. So you have a dedicated 32 mic line input, 32 line out, 8 AES stereo in and out, a dedicated MADI, and an expansion slot. This expansion slot can house any of the Studer I/O cards, including the MADI card. The MADI card can connect to a compact stage box or to the D21 Studer I/O box. And that box, and really both of those boxes, they then can house all of the additional Studer I/Os, from Dolby cards to embedder, de-embedders, additional mic pre's, additional AES, what have you. So, by patching, you have to interface to the outside world. So the easiest way to bring up the patch, basically, is go to the channel strip and select the name of the channel you're working on by touching it. Once I touch it, it automatically goes to that patch point onto the GC. So here we can see I selected Field Reporter 2. Now the patches are already preset. Because of these templates that we talked about earlier, they already have these patch points. The whole point of the Vista 1 here is to make it a very pleasant out-of-box experience. So channel 1 is mic 1, channel 2 is mic 2, channel 3 is mic 3, so on and so forth. So those patches are already predefined. But if you need to, you can, of course, patch different places. But for this example, I'm just going to go to Field Reporter 2, and just to show you, I'll double-click on it, and it will unpatch. I click on it, and it patches. You can see when I unpatch it, it turns white. There's a color coding going on here. So green means we have a patch. White means it's not patched. And in fact, we can even molt something, and I'll double-click it here, and you can see it turned yellow. And the neat thing here is when I double-click on the patch point, it automatically goes to the molt point. And if I had 3 or 4 or 5 of them, it would keep going to them. So I don't have to fish around in the patch system in order to find something. Because of how it's color-coded, I just click on the name, and it goes right to the patch point.